Let's start exercise 2.2, question number 1, third part. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Here, first of all, we have to find the zeros of this polynomial and then verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. So let's start. Let px is equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is a polynomial. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, so we have two zeros. To find the zeros of this polynomial px, we have to compare px is equal to 0. We can write 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. Now, we have to arrange this. We get 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, we will solve this quadratic polynomial by factorization method by splitting this middle term square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to split middle term in such a way that sum of two factors should be equal to minus 7 and product of two factors should be 6 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 18. To make this question simple, we start with the product. Since the factors of minus 18 is equal to 1 into minus 18, minus 1 into 18, 2 into minus 9, minus 2 into 9, minus 3 into 6, or 6 into minus 3. 3 into minus 6. So these are the possible factors of 18. Now we have to choose those factors whose sum is minus 7. So let's find the sum of factors. One plus minus 18 is equal to minus 17, but we require minus 7. Minus 1 plus 18 is equal to 17. We require minus 7. 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 7. So it is our requirement. So we can factorize, or we can write here 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to take common from first two terms. We get 2x, 3x plus 1. Minus is common from both the terms. We take minus 3. We get 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is common in both the terms. We can write 3x plus 1 and we are left with 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Since the product of two numbers is 0, so either 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. By transposing, we get x is equal to minus 1 by 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. Zeros are alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3 and beta is equal to 3 by 2. Our polynomial is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. If we compare this polynomial with standard form, we get ax square plus bx plus c. When we compare this with standard form, we get a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. As we know, the relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomial is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of 0 alpha beta is equal to c by a. Let's verify this. Here sum of zeros. Zeros are minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. Substitute the value of this. Alpha is minus 1 by 3 plus beta is 3 by 2. By taking LCM we get 6 and minus 2 plus 9. So we get 7 by 6. And in right hand side we have minus b by a. Minus, what is b? Here b is minus 7 and a is 6. So we get minus minus plus 7 by 6. It implies that we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta is 7 by 6 minus b by a is 7 by 6. Alpha beta, left hand side. Alpha beta, alpha is minus 1 by 3 into beta is 3 by 2. We get their product is minus 1 by 2. If we take right hand side is c by a. Here c is minus 3 and a is 6. We can solve it, we get minus 1 by 2. It implies that product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a by comparing this. Thank you.